It's late, you're tired, maybe stressed, you step outside, light a cigarette, and for a moment everything just feels better. The smoke drifts, your thoughts slow down, and suddenly life seems manageable. You're not just smoking, you're taking a break from your own mind. Let's be real, sometimes it does feel good, like your brain just said, hey, thanks for that, I needed it. But here's where it gets tricky. That relief you feel? It's not from solving stress. It's from silencing withdrawal. You're not calming your nerves, you're quieting the chaos they caused. It's like hiring the guy who broke your window to fix it every single day. Feels like control, but really it's a cycle, a very expensive, slow-burning one. We discussed how smoking might feel good at first, that quick relief, that moment of calm. But here's the reality. It may feel nice now, but it's deadly in the long run. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable diseases. Each cigarette you smoke increases your risk of lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Smokers are 15 times more likely to develop lung cancer than non-smokers. Even after just 1 year, smoking damages your lungs and heart. Over time, it becomes harder to breathe, and your risk for serious health conditions rises. After 10 years, your risk of lung cancer doubles compared to someone who never smoked. While that moment of relief might feel good now, the long-term consequences are severe. It's crucial to think about your future health before lighting up again. If you found this information valuable, I encourage you to make informed choices for your health. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more evidence-based content that can help you make life-changing decisions. Stay well and take care of.